If you want to delete your TikTok account due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how to delete your TikTok account. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your TikTok application and tap on this profile icon here in the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three and press on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account. In the last, you can see the option Deactivate and Delete Account. Tap on it. Now there are two options. If you want to leave TikTok temporarily, simply deactivate your account. If you choose to delete your account instead, you won't be able to recover it after 30 days. As we want to delete permanent, so we will tap on Delete Account Permanently. Give any reason why are you leaving TikTok, or can simply skip this. Check this box and press Continue. Again, press on Continue. Here it is asking to verify. To verify, tap on Continue with Google. From here, select that account on which your TikTok account is linked. And finally, press Delete Account. Press Delete, and our TikTok account will be deleted permanently. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.